What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Exter, and we're taking a look at their Classic Collection 3.0, which includes this awesome wallet known as the Parliament Wallet. Now, this particular variation comes in at Napa Black, and it's this really premium, sleek black wallet that looks super awesome. When you go ahead and open it up or pull it out, everyone is intrigued, and then they're even more intrigued when they see that there's a button on the side of it. As you slowly click that button, all of your wallets skim out, and it looks so awesome and modern. This thing can hold 10 cards, and it only comes in at around 0.4 times 4.1 times 2.5 inches. The point is, it is slimmer than your average wallet. It is designed to go in your front pocket. Now, I keep this in my front left pocket, and it's almost as if it's not there. It's really awesome. Now, it also comes with something really interesting. It comes with a tracker card that allows you to track this thing and beep it. And my favorite thing is it can not only beep your wallet, but you can actually go ahead and use the beeper card to go and beep your phone. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it's very interesting. You see, the tracker card is compatible with an app known as Chipolo, and basically that technology allows you to double press the button on the tracker card. So you simply take it out of your wallet, quickly double press it, and it will ring your phone. How awesome is that? Then they took it to the next level. You see, this thing, the card itself has GPS built into it, and on top of that, you can go into an app, the Chipolo app, on your phone, and then you're able to simply ring your wallet as well. So if you lose your phone and you haven't lost your wallet, you can ring it, and if you lose your wallet and you haven't lost your phone, you can ring it. If you lose both, well, you might want to reevaluate your responsibility levels, but for the time being, you're pretty much good, because most people have a tendency to lose one or the other. Now, my other thing is this thing has a strap built in, so you can go ahead and store cash on that, and of course, you can go and have it basically work around the clock as long as you're within range of it. And the range is really interesting. It uses BLE 4.0, which means it has range up to 200 feet. So as long as you're within 200 feet of either your phone or your wallet, you're able to beep either of them. So in the worst case, someone tried to steal your wallet, you can go and beep it and get it back from them. So you're pretty much good in terms of that. Then, of course, this thing is solar powered. It lasts around 3 hours, and
if you charge it for those 3 hours, so you simply leave it, I don't know, maybe on your, what I did was I went ahead and left it on my car dash as I was driving, and the sun hits it. And get this, if you charge it for 3 hours, it will last you 2 to 3 months. So you're pretty much set in terms of that as well. And the way to figure out if it doesn't have charge or something of those sorts, simply try beeping it. If it doesn't beep, then you might want to go leave it outside or leave it on your window or anywhere that the sun is hitting. It's really sleek looking, and it looks super cool. Now, back to the wallet itself. It's full of very interesting ways to hold your cards. You see, the main system is this super sleek sliding system. What you do is you simply hit their trigger and you press it, and it slides out all of your individual cards. You can then easily swipe through them, and my favorite thing is the fact that if you hold this upside down, some of the other wallets I reviewed, this was a massive problem. If you hold the wallet upside down and you press it, it's not going to have your cards shooting out everywhere all over the place. I mean, it might seem like it just looking at it, but that's not how these work. Even if you hold it upside down, press the trigger, your cards will be perfectly fine. So you press the trigger into your hand, and then you simply scroll through all of your different cards. And here's where it's really cool. You can take out every single one of your cards simultaneously, and it's not going to affect the trigger in any way. There's no special mechanism or something of those sorts. You could take out all of them simultaneously, look through them, and then find the card you're looking for. Or you could choose the easiest one to get to, or maybe you're looking for a particular credit card. You simply swipe through them, and you're set to go. The other thing is, if you want, now that you have all of your cards on your hand, you can go and place them right back and shove them in there, and that's it. There's no particular order you need to shove them in. There's no particular system. You don't need to hold down a button or anything of those sorts. You place them right back, shove them in there, and your button is perfectly set to go right from there. Now, you can keep a little bit of cash on the strap, and then there's 2 other card holders on the front. Now, I actually, when using this wallet, have a tendency to avoid using those. You see, it does thicken the front portion of it, and then that results in the wallet kind of staying open just a little bit. Then you go to place it into your front pocket, and then sometimes it gets stuck on the front leather part. So I would say that
part of the design that would have been a little bit cooler is a little magnetic function or something of those sorts that, you know, kind of forces the front flap to stay in place. But with that said, it's still perfectly fine and it works. There's also one more section on the back of this. This is actually where so you have the tracker card, and I've been trying to figure out where the most seamless spot to put this is. So you could put it in the strap, you could put it on the back, and I found that the back is the best spot to put it. It stays in there nice and snug. It's as if it was designed exactly for that. So I placed the tracker card in the back, which is low-key where it's meant to go, but I thought I'd play around with it and see where it would fit and where it would not. Now, all in all, the wallet is absolutely amazing. It looks cool. It's very, very modern. It's probably the most seamless way. You don't need to flap open a wallet, and I'm sure you guys have heard if you have a back wallet, it will cause you back pain in the future. So it's not a good idea to sit on that. It's uncomfortable. But if you have a front wallet, it's also less likely to get stolen. Now, security-wise, speaking of things getting stolen, you see, people could scan your cards and through the RFID chips and be able to steal your credit card numbers and whatnot. And people actually go around with these particular scanners and whatnot. So to prevent that from happening, this thing has an RFID blocking technology built into it, so you don't need to worry about that as well. So you don't have to worry about your phone getting stolen, you don't have to worry about your wallet getting stolen, you don't have to worry about your cards falling out, and lastly, you don't have to worry about someone going around with scanning technology and going and trying to steal your cards. This is the ultimate wallet. If you want something sleek that can't get stolen from your front pocket, and you travel a lot and you just want something that's a bit slimmer but fits all of your cards, 10 cards, which is, you know, what the average wallet can hold, then this is probably the best approach to doing that. Go ahead and check it out below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.